You accuse me of not supporting. You accuse me of not supporting my family. Free me from bondage, and I shall prove you false. You accuse me of ignorance, but I am ignorant. Because my master find it profitable to keep me ignorant. Free me from bondage, and I shall prove you false.
Tingnan mo sa camera, men.
You accuse me of indolence, but I am indolent. Because I have, not because I have no will, but because I have no hope. Why should I labor if all the fruits of my labor go to pay unpayable debt?
Maranaw
Free
ko no.
me from bondage, and I shall prove you false.
Yes.
Give me land, land to land and beholden. Any tyrant land will be free, will be free. Give me land that I am starving. Give me land, for my children may not die. Sell it to me at a fair price. I ask one free man, sell it to another, and not a usurer. Sell it to a slave, I am poor, but I will pay it. I'll work until I fall, awareness of my privilege, for inalienable and try to be free.